This trick is going to help you save a lot of data. In fact, you are going to control your phone's data usage automatically while installing a new application, and the already installed applications you can also control, manage and supervise their data usage. So in this trick, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials, and if you are ready, let's go. So the trick is, if you are an Android user, general user, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this later. But for Xiaomi users, first of all, you head over to your settings or your data usage app. You see this app here. You can find it in your phone security application, or you can create a shortcut for it. And this is a shortcut I created, data usage. So when you create this shortcut, you tap on it. Now you can see manage network connections. Manage network connection. Tap on it. Now, network access for all your applications in the phone. This is to grant all your apps network access, either mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now from here you can turn off all these apps from having network access, either mobile data or Wi-Fi. And if you want a particular application to have only access to Wi-Fi, then from here you can control it. If it's only mobile data, you can also control it from here. So with these settings, it can save you a lot of data in your phone. So if you don't want any application to access the internet, from here you can simply turn the mobile data off. Okay, turn the mobile data off from here. Then you tap on Wi-Fi and also turn it off from here. Is that one clear? This is for already installed applications. But what about if you want to control this for future apps that are going to install in your phone? Simply tap on this three dotted icon. Okay, then you see new apps default settings. New apps default settings. Tap on it. Then you see mobile data, turn it off. You see Wi-Fi, turn it off. Is that unclear? So it means that anytime you install any new application whatsoever, you have to grant that application access to internet before it can have access to the internet. So you have a control over that application function based on internet access. Then you also tap on these three dotted lines. You see background connection. Make sure you turn every application that you don't want it to function in the background. Turn the access off from here. This will save you some data, and this will save you some battery. This will save you some security. There are some applications that will be functioning in the background, and then they'll connect to the internet once you turn on your data or Wi-Fi, and they will be sending your data to an unknown destinations. So with this, you can have control over some of these applications. So for other phone users, let's say Samsung and other Android users, you tap on settings, then you head over to mobile networks. Some you will see internet connection or whatever. From here you can tap or toggle on data saver. If you do that, every background activities will be curtailed when it comes to internet access. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comments. For more tutorial tips and tricks, please subscribe to this channel for more.